how a small aquatic animal is able to manipulate the surrounding water in a way that turns it into a functional weapon. Pistol shrimp, also known as snapping shrimp, belong to the family Alphiidae, a large and diverse group of burrowing crustaceans found across tropical and temperate marine environments. Despite being widespread, they rarely attract much attention, as most species remain close to the seafloor, moving through sand, rubble, and the narrow entrances of self-constructed burrows, where their small size and muted coloration provide effective concealment. In most cases, individuals measure only a few centimeters in length, with proportions and body structure that appear broadly consistent with other small shrimp-like crustaceans. However, this apparent similarity hides considerable variation within the group, particularly in the structure and function of the claws. In many species, one claw is enlarged to an extreme degree, sometimes approaching half the total body length, and modified in a way that fundamentally alters its function. This exaggerated appendage is often treated as the defining feature of pistol shrimp as a whole. But this view is only part of the story. Many species within the family lack this specialized snapping mechanism entirely, retaining a more typical pair of claws used for grasping and feeding. Looking at how this ability is spread across the group reveals something unexpected. Rather than emerging once and being retained, the snapping mechanism has evolved independently multiple times within the family, appearing independently in different lineages faced with similar conditions. In each case, relatively minor structural modifications, particularly in the arrangement of joints and the geometry of the claw surfaces, change how forces build up and release. This enlarged claw is no longer able to function as a normal instrument for grasping. In becoming specialized, it has lost this basic ability, but in its place is now a weapon capable of storing energy and releasing it in a rapid, highly controlled motion. In species where this transformation has occurred, the difference is immediately apparent.